Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Don C here today, man. And today I got a little story for y'all. I'm actually sitting up here waiting for them to call me back and get an oil change, y'all. So I'm just sitting up here thinking about stuff, and it is so crazy, y'all, that I never told y'all this story. But probably about a couple years ago, me and that boy Hardwood Sniper was together, and it was a Lambo truck. So it was us two in a Lambo truck. And that equals nothing but disaster, y'all. So let's just go ahead and get into this story, man. What's up? It's Don C here. To all my fellas and my ladies out there looking for that special guy a gift, make sure y'all check out the Manly clothing brand. In the video, you can see that I'm rocking the long sleeve knit cardigan. It's warm, nice, cozy, stylish. All you need, man. The link is in the description. They offer all kinds of different clothing styles from business to casual. So make sure y'all give that link a click and check it out. So yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna go right into the story, man. A couple years ago, probably about 2019, somewhere around there, end of 2018, 2019, me and Hardwood Sniper, we used to work for this hotel. So we were like bellhop slash valet. So we would park the cars and take their luggage up, y'all. And it was an upscale hotel, so we seen all types of high-end cars, man. It was crazy. From Ferraris, Lambos. This was back when the Tesla first came out, y'all. So all this stuff was new to us. You know what I'm saying? Because I think back then I had a Chevy Cruze and TJ had a Nissan Altima. He still got his Nissan Altima. I sold my Chevy Cruze though, y'all. Y'all should remember it in my old videos. That's what we was rolling there back then, y'all. We wasn't no big Jeeps with the wraps and all that back then. And we young, we like 18, 19. So you see something like that and you get a chance to drive it, it's like you just excited. 19, exotic car. What you think going through our heads, y'all? We finna drive the shit out this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? So, one day we out there working, man, when we working. And whatever, like, so back then, if it was a car that you never seen before, we would probably just take the keys and we'd go look in it. Sometimes if you wanted to that bad, you could drive it to like another parking space. It was a little tiny parking lot, y'all, where we used to park the cars. It was probably about the size of a little Dollar General. Probably $2 Generals. You only could park like probably about 70 cars. 70 cars back there, y'all. So it wasn't nothing big. So if you really want to drive a car, you can, you know what I'm saying, go back there on your free time and just crank your car up and probably drive it. I'm telling y'all the truth. This probably happened at a lot of valet spots, y'all. If they like y'all car, trust me, they gonna drive that shit. Coming from a valet person himself. They like their car, y'all. They gonna drive that shit, man. So one day we just having a regular work day. And then next thing you know, y'all, a Lambo, a Urus pulled up. The Lambo truck, man, this is new to us. First time ever seeing it in person. I only heard people talking about it. So he pulled up, y'all. It was all black. The seats was blue inside. It was just crazy. And then all the workers, like all our co-workers and stuff, they like, man, this thing got like 10 to 12 different drive modes. This, and that. So I'm sitting back chilling, y'all. I'm like, 10 different drive modes, huh? I ain't saying nothing, y'all. I'm just examining. Just peeping out the situation. I'm like, yes, sir, I'm gonna drive the shit out that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So, time go by. The next day, TJ actually wasn't there. So I called TJ. I said, because the first day the Lambo came in, y'all, I was actually finna get off. TJ wasn't there. So I had hit TJ. I'm like, hey, bro, it is a Lambo in the fucking parking lot, bro. Like I said, we had always seen exotic stuff like Teslas. We seen some fast-ass Corvettes. You know what I'm saying? All kinds of different stuff, but we ain't seen nothing on the level of Lambo yet. Probably seen a Ferrari, but I don't think we got a chance to drive that. This was our chance. So I had TJ up and I told him, I'm like, bro, it's a fucking Lambo in the parking lot. And the next day, me and him worked together. So I'm like, tomorrow, you know we finna drive the shit out that bitch. He was like, hell yeah, you know it. So next day come, y'all. We working. And like I said, y'all, when you get a little free time and everything die down, you go down there and, you know what I'm saying, just look at stuff that you might want. You know what I'm saying? You might see a little, a Prius, for example. Let's just say I want a Prius. I can go check this Prius out and be like, I wonder how this drive. But anyways, me and TJ worked a long day. Night going, sun coming down, night started to come up, and boom. I said, TJ, you ready? I ain't even have to tell him. He said, hell yeah. He just grabbed the keys and we strolled on down to the parking lot. Like I said, y'all, this parking lot only can park like 70 cars, y'all. So you can't even get the car past 50 if you wanted to. Probably not even past 40. But we thinking the Lambo finna just like 0 to 100 like that, you know what I'm saying? That wasn't the case. So we get the keys, we go down there. And TJ video on the outside. This is the only clip I got from you. I'm gonna post it right here.
I'm gonna smash this shit. This shit clean, boy.
TJ video on the outside, and I'm over here because I had drove another car now, so I parked the car. TJ got inside. He's like, come on, man. So as soon as we get inside, right, y'all, on the dash, like the rear view mirror, the shit turned red and it was like beeping. It beeped like twice. And I said, TJ, what the fuck is that? I said, bro, that's like a camera. And here goes TJ. Man, that ain't no fucking camera. That ain't no camera. Must I remind you, TJ, y'all on Snapchat, yeah, we in the Lambo, blah, 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 we in the fucking Lambo. And in my head, I'm just like, damn, that's a fucking camera. But I was like, you know what? Fuck it. It is what it is. So TJ crank it up. And that motherfucker, boom.
Shit, they got serious.
That motherfucker make your body shake when that motherfucker comes up, you hear me? So TJ crunk it up. Like I said, y'all, this is a little tiny ass parking lot. So TJ just started smashing it around. So he smashed it straight down, slow down, hit the curve, smash it again. Like I said, y'all, this car ain't go past 45. It should have though. If it's a Lambo, I'm thinking this motherfucker finna like put our heads back like this. No, that wasn't it. My Jeep probably go faster than that shit in that distance. You know what I'm saying? So it wasn't even really worth it. So he did it. I drove it. I don't remember if I drove it. I think I did drive it like twice, but I ain't driving like TJ. TJ was smashing that motherfucker, y'all. That nigga was like, you know what I'm saying? That nigga was getting greasy in that motherfucker. So we did that. We parked the car back. Everything cool. We clock out. We done drove a Lambo. We feeling good, man. We're getting ready for work the next day. So like I said, y'all, we getting ready for work. It's the next day. Me and TJ, we used to go hoop and work out before we go to work. You know what I'm saying? Because we used to work night, like 3 to 11. So we used to work out or go play ball during the day. TJ didn't really lift weights like that, but I did. And I was like, TJ, you might want to start lifting weights. Like, he was feeling good. This the day after Lambo, y'all. So these emotions and feelings is swaying over. We still feeling good, man. We done drove a damn Lambo truck. Can't too many people say that where we from, you know what I'm saying? So we feeling good. TJ, yeah, man, I'm gonna start working out with you today. I was like, okay, then bet. So we work out, feeling good, getting ready for work. I was like, man, I might go in early today, for real. Going in early to work is crazy. So you know we feeling real good. So next thing you know, I'm getting ready to leave. We getting ready to leave the gym. I get a phone call from the hotel. I'm like, what they calling me for? They must want me to come in early. I answered the phone. They was like, your services have been terminated. My mouth just dropped. You know, so I'm saying like, and I'm just looking at TJ like, so I ain't even saying nothing to TJ. And then literally 1 minute late, not even a minute, it was probably 30 seconds. So she hung up with me. They called TJ and I was like, bro. They answered the phone and they called him and they said, your service is no longer needed. You have been terminated. And TJ had said for what? The lady just said for driving a Lambo and hung the fuck up. Man, me and TJ just sit here and all, bro. So all them emotions just went down the toilet. We staring at each other like damn, we some dumbasses, man. Like, I wasn't as mad at TJ. TJ was mad. Like, that really hurt TJ feelings. But I ain't gonna say and give it to him. But it is what it is, man. Everything happened for a reason. And TJ just wouldn't let it go. So TJ wanted to go up there the next day to beg for his job. I said, TJ, no, bro, don't do that. I'm just like, TJ, they don't want you. You can drove the shit out this man Lambo. He pissed off. He was like, they was saying the dude, like, our coworkers had texted us. They was like, man, that shit wasn't that serious. We always do this. Because we weren't the only ones to drive the Lambo, y'all. So other people were driving the shit too. But I guess he just had enough with us shit, and it was just our time, man. So they got rid of our ass. So he pulled his camera footage on his phone because I told TJ, man, I knew that was a camera. So they pulled his camera footage and he went and showed them. He was pissed off. They ended up having to give him some free nights at the hotel and shit like that, man. And oh yeah, and TJ I ended up going back up there and like, man, we apologize. TJ wrote a big ass paragraph. Y'all like, TJ, if you don't put that shit down, nigga, like, they done dropped the ass. It is what it is. So he done wrote this big paragraph. He done memorized it, y'all. TJ wanted to job back so bad. we just so. And I was just standing there looking at him while he telling this lady this. He said it. And not even that. When we pulled back up, y'all, the lady came out with security. Like, we just finna cause ruckus, cause trouble or something. I'm like, really? Like, we was like some of the nicest dudes there. Like, we got so many good reviews from the people up there. Before they come out with security, it was like crazy. She thought we was gonna just tear the place down or something because we got fired. So, and then she came out. TJ said that dumbass shit I told him not to say. So he wasted all 150 of his words coming out his mouth for that lady to say, yeah, I understand, but you're terminated.
Bada bop boom pow.
And I just walked away. I said, bro, come on. And he just walked down with his head. And I was just like, man, whatever. So moral of the story, y'all, if you're gonna drive the Lambo at the valet, or if you drive any exotic car at these valet spots, y'all, make sure you check that motherfucking dash, because it will get you. They will get you if they want to be some assholes, y'all. So putting y'all up on game about that, man. So I'm gonna go back and get my oil change, y'all. Appreciate it for tuning in for this little story time today. Stay tuned for more videos. We out here, man.